Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna explain the NBA positions. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to know that there are like around 5 rules and positions. And the first one is point guard, which basically have several responsibility, includes ball handling, playmaking, perimeter defense, and decision making. And his responsibilities make him the team primary playmaker, and he's responsible for settling the tempo, disturbing the ball, and making key decisions on the court. And the second one is shooting guard. And basically his responsibilities are scoring, off-ball movement, perimeter defense, and basically he's the key scorer and often serving as a primary offensive weapon and contributing to the perimeter defense. And number 3 is the small forward. And his responsibilities are scoring, rebounding, defense versatility. And he is basically a versatile player who contributes across the board, serving as a scoring option, rebounder, and a defender. And number 4 is power forward. And basically his responsibilities are both scoring, rebounding, interior defense. And basically he is a physical presence in the front court, combined score with the rebounding and interior defense. And number 5 is the center. And basically his responsibilities are rebounding, rim protection, post scoring. And basically his role is vocal points in the paint, excelling in rebounding, shoot blocking, and scoring close to the basket. So yeah, that was the video for today. I hope it helps you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.